Happy Thursday, first graders. On Thursdays, we're going to be playing games. So, remember last week we played Double Trouble? We have one this week that I'm going to show you. And it's kind of similar to Double Trouble. It's got 2 dice instead of 1. So it's going to be fun. So let me show you how we get there. So you're going to go to this website again. Your mommy and daddy have this website. Click on week 2, and it's Thursday game day. So click on Thursday game day. And once again, here's all the instructions. So if you want to just read the instructions and play, that's totally fine. Or you can watch me play, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so our game this week is called Add 'em Up. So here we go. So what we're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to click the dice and you're going to add them together. Now, I'm going to let you guys choose which strategy you want to use to add these. You could use, if it's a double, you could use a double strategy. If it's a doubles plus 1, you could use that. You could use counting on. You maybe could use a bridge to 10 or your 10 partners. If you need to draw a picture, you can draw a picture. If you want to use your fingers, you can use your fingers. You get to choose what strategy to use while you're adding these up, okay? So I don't have a friend to play with today. So I've just brought my friend Snake. So Snake's gonna have a turn, and then I'm gonna have a turn. So if you don't have a friend to play with, maybe you could find a little friend like this at home, and you could just pretend play like that. Okay, back to the game. Ready, everybody? So here we go. I'm gonna click on my dice and roll. I've got 4 plus 3. So I'm gonna use a near double strategy. I know 3 plus 3 is 6, so 3 plus 4 must be 7. So I'm gonna be blue, and I'm gonna put my blue right there on the 7. Whichever player gets 4 in a row first is the winner. Okay, now it's Snake's turn. I have to help Snake. Ooh, 5 plus 6. I know 5 plus 5 is 10, so 5 plus 6 must be 11. That's a near double too. All right, now it's back to my turn. Get out of here, Snake. Ooh, 3 plus 1. That's an easy one. 3 plus 1 is 4. Boop. Snake. 3 plus 5. This one I'm going to use counting on. I'm going to start with the bigger number, and I'm going to say 5, 6, 7, 8. So now Snake gets to we'll put it there to see if he can get 4 in a row. 8. Okay, back to my turn. 2 plus 6. I'm going to use counting on again. So I'm going to say the bigger number, 6, and count on. 7, 7, 8. Sorry. Okay, let me put mine on the 8. Now this is Snake's. That's an easy one. That's a double. 1 plus 1. That's 2. Where's 2, Snake? There it is. Okay, my turn. Ooh, that's a good double. 2 plus 2. I know 2 plus 2 because it's a double. It's 4. Okay, Snake's turn. 4 plus 5. I know 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 5 must be 9. All right, Snake. Where should we put this one? Right here to block me, I guess. Ooh, 2 plus 2 again. 4. Oh, goodness, y'all, look. There's no more 4s, so that means I just don't get to put one down. All right, Snake's turn. 3 plus 5. We can count on again with this one. We can say the bigger number, 5, 6, 7, 8. And Snake is red, so we can put him here. My turn. 5 plus 2. 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put this on the 7. Oh, look. I have 1, 2, 3 in a row. Oh, man. I hope I get an 8 next time. All right, it's Snake's turn. 3 plus 1, we know that one, it is 4. Uh-oh, Snake can't go. There's no 4s left, right? Nope, there's not. My turn. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm the winner. Good job, Snake. Good job. Good game. That was fun. So let me show you. If you want to play again, you can come down here and click this button right here that says refresh and says, do you wish to refresh? This will clear the game. Click yes, and then you can play again. I hope you have fun playing this game. That is a really fun game, and it's a really good way to practice your addition facts. See you next week. Bye. We miss you. We love you. Bye. Oh, man.